Hi students, how are you? Do you know me? I am your new maths teacher. Okay, have you eaten breakfast? Yes, very good. Then, do you feel like coming to school? Do you feel like seeing your friends? Yes, okay. About how many students there in second grade in your school? About how many students? Is it 90? 85? Or 95? Okay, around 100 of students there in grade 2 in your school. Okay, if here I ask not exact number, I ask just around how many students? Around how many students? Not an exact number, is it? Okay, when we do not need exact number, we can say the closest to actual number. Okay, here we don't know the correct number of students in second grade. So, we can say around how many students. This number will be closest to actual number. This number can be little less or little more than to actual number. Okay. So, today we will learn about rounding of the nearest 10 for given number. Okay. So, let's start. First, I show a number to you. Okay. This is a flashcard. Which number? Seeing here. Which number is this? Yes, this is number 22. Okay. Can you find which tens between this number lies? Which are the tens? Which are the tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, etc. Okay. Which tens between this number lies? Is this 10 or 20? Number 22 lies in 10 or 20. Is this correct? No. Then which numbers? Which tens between this number? Yes, 20 and 30. Is it correct? So, you see here is a number line. Here is a number line. This 22 lies in which tens? Can you say? Yes, which is that? 20 and 30. So, first we find the two tens between this number lies. Then, in this number, where I fix this number? Where I fix this number? How can we know? Find the position of number 22. So, we can count 21, 22. Where I fix it? Yes, we can fix here from this flashcard. Okay. So, we can write another numbers 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay. So, here we can see midpoint. Which is the midpoint of 20 and 30? How can we find that? The center point number. Which is the center point number? That called a midpoint. Okay. So, it is the midpoint. It is the midpoint of this number line. So now we fixed the position of 22 here. So can you say now which is the nearest 10 of this number 22? Which is closer 10 to 22? 20 or 30? Which is that? Is this 20? Yes. This number 22 closer to 20, not to 30. Is it? This number comes before the midpoint. This is the midpoint. This number comes before the midpoint. So we can round off this number 22 to 20. Okay. So now I show another number. Which number is this? Yes, this is number 58. 58. Now we can find two tens between which this number lies. Which tens lies between 58? Yes, very good. Which is the numbers? Tens? 50 and 60. Which is the midpoint of this number line? Which is the midpoint of this number line? We can write numbers completely. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, then 56, 57, 58, 59. Yes. Now we can find the midpoint. Which is the midpoint? Yes. This is the midpoint. Okay. Now we can find easily where this number fixed. Find the position of this number. Okay. Where I fix this? Easy to find. Yes. 58, 56, 55, 56, 57 and 58. So we fix this number here. Where? 58. Okay. We can find it easily. This 10 is closer to 58. Is this 50? Why? No, this is not nearest to 58. Which 10 is closer to 58? Yes. 60 is nearest to 58. Okay. So we can round off 60. 58 we can round off 60. Listen, here we can see this number comes after the midpoint. This number comes after the midpoint. So we can round off 60 and number 22 round off 20. Okay, you know how to round off nearest to 10? Now you can understand. Is it? Okay. Then how to solve this? I say step by step. First, we find two tens between which that number lies. Then find the position on the number line. Second, we find the position of the number line. Then if the number comes before the midpoint. First we find out the midpoint, then find out if the number comes before the midpoint, we can round off smaller 10. This is the smaller 10. This is the greater 10. If the number comes before the midpoint, we can round off smaller 10. If the number comes after the midpoint, here 58 comes after the midpoint. So, we can round off greater 10. Which is the greater 10 here? 60. Yes, we can round off greater 10. Okay. Now, if the number comes exact in midpoint, what will do? For example, I give number 65. 65. Number 65. Here is we can draw a number line. Which tens comes between the this number lines? Yes, 60 and 70. So, which is the midpoint of this number? Yes, 65. So, we find the position of 65 is here. It is exact in midpoint. Exact in midpoint. So, how can we round off nearest 10? Is it the smaller 10 or is the greater 10? Listen here. If the number is exact in midpoint, we can round off greater 10. We can round off greater 10. So, 65 we can round off 70. Okay. So, I will give you another question. Please take your notebook and write it in there. There are 87, listen, 87 candies in a pack. How many candies in a pack? 87 candies in a pack. About how many candies were there in a pack? Can you find this? How can we find? Yes, first we can find two tens between this number lines. Okay, first we draw the number line. Then number 87. 87 lies 80 and 90 or 70 or 80. The 85 start from 80. 87 start from 80 and 90. Yes, first we find the tens between this number lines. Then find the position of this number in number line. Okay. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Okay. So, now we can find the position of 87 in easily. Where it is stand? Yes, this is the 87. Then after we can find which is the midpoint of this number line. Yes, this is the midpoint. The number 87 comes after or before the midpoint? Is this before the midpoint? No, it's come after the midpoint. So we can round off this number into 90. Greater 10. Which is the greater 10 here? 90. Okay. So we can round off 87 to nearest 10, 90. Okay. Then I give one number 36. Which is this number? 36. Can you visualize this number in your mind? Can you visualize this number in your number line in your mind? The answer without drawing number line or showing number line. How can we find? Yes, how can we find? We know this number lies in 30 and lies between the 30 and 40. We know that. So, first we visualize our number line in our mind. Then consider only in digit from ones place. Digit from ones place. Which is the number here in ones place? Which digit is here? 6. So, you listen. If the number ends with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, we round it off to smaller 10. We know which is the two tens lies between this 30 and 40. First we can visualize that number line in our mind. So this number lies between 30 and 40. This is the smaller 10 and this is the greater 10. Okay. Then we consider only digit from one space. If the number comes 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we round it off smaller 10. We round it off smaller 10. Here is comes 6. If the number ends with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round it off greater 10. So here comes 6. It is, so we can round it off greater than. Which is the greater than here? Yes, 40. 40 is the greater 10. So we can round 36 to 40. Okay. So I give another number. $45. We know which tens lies between lies this number. Yes, 40 and 50. We know that. This number ends with here. End with 5. I told you, if the number ends with 5, we can round it off greater 10. Okay, greater 10. So we can round it off greater 10. Okay. Okay, take your notebook and write it. Rules of rounding to the nearest 10. Which are the rules? Listen here. First one is, if the number ends with 0, 1, 2, 3, Therefore, we round it off which 10? To smaller 10. To smaller 10. Okay. Then, if the number ends with 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we round it off to greater 10. So we can find it easily without drawing number line. Okay. Do you understand it? Okay. Now all of you take your workbook. All of you take now workbook page number 15. Rounding off to the nearest 10. It is homework, but I explain it, not say to answer, just explain. Okay. First question, you do this work in your home. Tick the number line on which 44 will lie. Okay. We know which is the number lines. Which the 44 will lie. We know that. Okay. Is this 30 or 40 or 40 or 50? Tick the correct answer. Okay. Then second question. Use the number line. Mark the numbers and round off each number to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Using number line. Not in visualizing your mind. You just draw the number line and find out the position of 37 in number line. And check where comes midpoint, and the 37 comes after or before the midpoint. Okay. Then find out the nearest 10. Is this smaller 10 or greater 10? Then second question 75. Similarly, you can do that. Then third question, round off 43 to the nearest 10 and color the shape with the round off number. Number 43. This question we can do visualizing your mind, not drawing number line. Okay, 43. We can find the 43 comes before or after midpoint, like that, or this number ends with which number, 43 ends with which number in this category or this category. You can find this. Okay. For example, I give you 99. 99. Here we can see 99 ends with 9. So where category is 9 comes? Second category 9 comes. Ends with 9. We can round off this number into greater 10. Okay. Then you take your textbook homework also here. The lesson 4, rounding off the nearest 10. Listen here. Write whether true or false. Only write true or false. 54 lies between 40 and 50. We know where is 54 lies. Here said 54 lies between 40 and 50. It's true or false. And 77 lies between 70 or 80. We know the correct answer. So you can put true or false. Then second question, round off each number to the nearest 10 by using a number line. Here you must draw the number line. You must draw the number line and find the position of each numbers and find out the nearest 10. Okay. Then third question, round off each number to nearest 10. Here not need number line. You can round off the nearest 10 like this rules. Okay. So homework is over. Do you understand this class? You have any doubt? You ask me. Then thank you.